Yo, watch him. But I will put tarpan out here now, guys. I'm setting out some lines on the jetty here, but tell you, them tarpan here look massive. I try to catch a tarpan still for cook up, you know. Yeah, I don't know that catch and cook on a tarpan. So I want one tarpan to cook today. And if I get him still, you know, because they look like them are turn, but them not feed really. So I just have to cast some bait a while ago because they now pick up the sebiki and I see them come on the shallow, so I just make 2 casts. Get a good amount of tuffy and 2 little bang in it. So set out a tuffy and a bang now. I see I float out the bang. So they see him out there. And if not, I'm going to take him yet still. But we will see. Yes, I'm on in again, people. I'm out by airport road again, you know. I was on the jetty a while ago, but boy, I couldn't get any bait and I cast some bait. I'm still not getting any pickup, so I said, boy, you know what? I'll try over this side, see if I can catch a kingfish or a tarpan. Right behind gypsum here, so you know. I was here the other day, Darren catch a kingfish, so I don't know if my luck returned today. But that was in the evening, now it's in the morning, so maybe it's better in the evening than in the morning, but I still try something, you know. Anyhow, I make 2 casts right here, so and then if anything I'll move on to somewhere else because I have some live bait in the van, you know. Anyhow, let us also some bait here, so quite likely something might be here, something I try it, you know. Yeah, some bait right here, so no for the kingfish out here, so I try it still. First cast out, alright? Right now the bait them, right? Yeah. First cast out. See the bait right in front of me right out there, so I don't know if there's anything out here. But you know, you have to try, you know? You still have to try, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, right out there. Second cast out. Anyhow, people, when I get the hook up, I'll get back to you guys, alright? So stay tuned, so come back. Yes, sir. So people, I'm not getting anything on lure, so I have to try something else again. So first jetty, second gypsum, third, I don't know where I'm going third. I'm going to check the live bait if they're still alive. And maybe I just take a trip around to Port Royal. I don't have all day, I have to leave by 11 o'clock now. So I will try now, I'll look on the bait and see if they're still alive. If they're still alive, I'll just quick take a run to Port Royal and I'll set out 2 lines, you know. I want to catch something today, I don't know. I try it everywhere possible. Right, so I put up this line now. Put up this rod, you know. Yeah. It look good here, man, because I now waste my time, you know. I have bait to go on, you know. If you don't have any bait. Oh, here tuffy. Some small tuffy. Alright, I think I have enough tuffy. I can take a trip around here. Yeah man, I have enough tuffy. I can take a trip around here. So I'm going to just take a trip to Port Royal and you know, I'll spend 2 hours. Right? spend 2 hours in Port Royal. I'm going to spend 2 hours in Port Royal and see if I can catch anything. I tell you, I stopped at the jetty this morning, no bait. After cast some bait, I couldn't catch any bait on the sabiki, so I cast some bait with the cast net. Then set out some line, not getting any run. There's a lot of tarpon in the water there, you know. I don't know if any kingfish was there, but I see a lot of tarpon. Not getting any run, so I decided to come down to gypsum. So I come down to gypsum, casting some artificial, not getting anything. Then I see this boatman come stopping right in front of me, trying to catch some bait on the sabiki. So I know I'm not going to catch anything there, so I just leave now and going on to Port Royal. So I'm going to try Port Royal. I don't have the whole morning. I'm going to have to leave here by 11 o'clock. So now is something to eat. About 2.5 hours, so I must can catch something in Port Royal. So that's where I'm heading now, people. So stay tuned, alright? We'll catch you in Port Royal. Fish on every time. I just reached Port Royal and set out the rod them now, you know. Yeah, just set them out. I'm not even wasting any time a while ago. I just set them out right away because I don't have any time to waste. Because I have just a few hours to fish. And I want to hook up something. African pompon or jack, snapper, anything at all. So I put out the rod, them tuffies on them. Only tuffy I could catch at the jetty. So that is what I'm using right now. So guys, stay tuned, you know. I can't keep the camera running because of the battery, as you know. So we'll soon get back to you, alright? On the hookup. Yeah. Yeah. Fish on, brother, fish on. Alright. Have him. Fish on. Come here. What kind of fish is now, brother? Yes. Come here, boy. Come here, what kind of fish this? Fish like an African, you know. Man fight me like an African. Yes. Man fight me like an African, so you know, God no. Come here, boy, fish on every time. Come here, let me see what kind of fish this. No, but African dog give me another hard one again. Come here. Don't move on the side of the road. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh, it's a jack. Come here, boy. Not an African, it's a jack. Like an African, but it's a jack. Eh? Huh? Yeah. Jack, brother, see me, brother. Jack. Alright. Alright, so that is a jack, people. See me? I'm gonna leave the alright, I'm gonna leave the lip gripper. So hold on now. So see me, guys, jack crevalle. See me? Nice jack crevalle, you know. Yeah, nice one. Jack crevalle. I can't take the hook out of my mouth because I know you have the pliers. I have the pliers, but I can't reach on my mouth, so I will just cut off the hook in my mouth. Yeah, so that is one. I put on another leader and just put it out back, right? But I keep going still this something like that. So yeah, so I put it on another bait, guys. In there, put it on another tuffy. I just to cut off the leader in the jack mouth because I have the pliers now, the pliers too short. And I couldn't bother to dig it out of mouth. So I just put on another leader, so another hook, you know, just cut off that one in my mouth. So I'm gonna clean them up, just take it out. So I say? Yeah, so one jack down, going for African now. I hope I can catch an African now. Yes. Alright, so that's it, rod out again. Remember the breeze coming up now, you know. Yeah. The water not so rough, but the breeze are come up strong. And I'm not get no more run yet still, just the one jack from morning. And I hope somebody will get another run, you know, even a African snapper, but I don't get that at all. I just the one jack bite this morning. And I hit that, you know. But anyhow, I have just about another half an hour leave, so I guess that is it now, you know. That's the last set out. I just set them back out, check the bait, make sure they're alright and put them back out. Them never dead really, you know. Them never wrong with the bait them still, you know. Yeah, the one them I pull up, nothing wrong with them. But because I pull them up, them stunted, so I just take them off and put on a fresh set. So I just make them stay out there now. It's the last set out. So I don't know if you're getting a run before half an hour time, but if I get one before half an hour, well, that's fine, you know. If not, then you're out of here, you know. Alright guys, so we're going to weigh this jack now, you know. We're going to weigh him. Like I said, clear. Alright, pound, I want the pound. Alright, this is the line, this is the hook that I leave in his mouth, right? I just cut it off because I couldn't go pull it out of my mouth at the same time. So I'm going to use it to weigh him, right? So let me see now, see there? Scale is 0. Alright, let me see now. See there guys? Oh, hold on, let me put it down, see there? 6.47. So it's about 6.5 pound. About 6.5 pound. Alright, see there? Can you see it? 6.5 pound. Alright, so that's Mr. Jack. So I'll put the ice pan in now guys. It's about time to leave now, still no people. Yeah, about time to leave. About time now to leave, so get out of the place now. Alright. Still have the rod out, see where the rod's out. See them there. I was hoping to get another run before I leave, but time come boiling right down now to the time to leave, so let's get out of here. Gotta pack up and leave now. Alright, so we have just about 10 minutes more leave. About 10 minutes. So we're gonna just get ready to pack up the lines now. Roll them up and stuff, you know. So it was not a bad day after all. You know, try a few spots and then end up in Port Royal. Then catch a jack 6.5 pound. Not bad, you know. Could be better, but give thanks for what we catch, you know. So we're just gonna pack up and leave here now. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, alright? Press that notification bell that you'll be notified whenever we upload a video. Alright? So take care until we see you in the next one. Fish on every time. That's it guys, we're getting out of here now, alright? So see you guys in the next one. Fish on.